Well, since I'm making a part 2 of this video right now, I figured I'll just call part 2 a review of an in-depth review of this Wii console, with it taken apart so you guys can see it in action. So this is somewhat like a VCR review. Let me plug the Wii in. I'm going to turn it on and turn it off because I still need to put that battery in there. There we go. But yeah. I'm actually going to be reviewing the Wii disk drive mechanism in depth. I think this was the first slot loading game system next to the PS3. I don't know which one was the very first. If it was the Wii or the PlayStation 3. Wii U did it, Xbox One did it, PS4 did it. The slot loading mechanisms. But anyway, let's get back to the Wii. So basically, the Wii came out around 2006. And this one is a much better one because this is the one that plays GameCube games. Here, I'll show you the GameCube ports. There they are. I also ordered a cover for the GameCube ports as well. The black cover, not the doors. Okay, only one of the doors is ordered because I was ordering a battery cover because the old battery cover is stripped, so I had to order another one. They also made a couple different models of the Wii. This one, as you guessed, obviously is the original. The RVL-001. That's the original version. And the redesign, I finally found the faceplate to this thing. Has the Wii logo, has all the labels horizontal. And that does not play GameCube games, and I still have the drive for it. But that Wii was also called the Family Edition. Now let's compare those two drives, why don't we? Oh, crap. If you spot a minor difference, let me know in the comments. Well, if you didn't guess already, the Family Edition Wii did not play GameCube games because there's actually a little mistake in the molding in the metal shield that prevents a GameCube game from getting in there. Plus, they took out the ports and the memory cards. And we'll turn it on and I'm going to show you how that mechanism works. And as you're going to guess right now, the ejecting mechanism is driven by a belt. If you want to see what happens when you try to put a GameCube game in a Wii Family Edition console, I'll leave the link to another YouTube video. So yeah. Now let's insert a disc. I'm not going to show gameplay this time because don't really want to. We're going to take the disc out. If I can hit the eject button. Okay, there we go. I wasn't even touching it. If you hit the eject button, the drive mechanism will make a whirring noise. Now, before I try a GameCube disc, let's see those sliding things in action. Well, I'm at it, I'll also get a quick clip of that worm gear in action. Can't show the belt. Here's the other side. Alright. Now I will show a GameCube disc being thrown in there, because the original Wii, like I said, does play GameCube games. Now let's get a close-up of that little area that I talked about on the Family Edition. Over here. See, nothing happens, basically. And same for the other side. Okay. Now we're done demonstrating the mechanism. Well, yeah, they made several different models of the Wii. One of them I already mentioned is the Family Edition. It's still slot loading, but they got rid of the GameCube, and they also got rid of the stand. But if you have an extra stand from your original Wii, you could use that. But just to warn you, if you want to buy the Family Edition for the Wii, if you want to buy the Family Edition of the Wii, excuse me, do it if you want to. I mean, it's not as good as the original. I mean, it runs well, plays Wii games well, but it just doesn't play GameCube games, because as I mentioned, this this little molding right here. It blocks it, and it struggles to put the game in. The Wii U does the same thing. Anyways, there's also another revision of the Wii, and it's the final revision. It was called the Wii Mini. No internet capability. No SD card slot. Only one USB port. Let me turn the Wii off so I can give you a glimpse of the back. Let me unplug it as well. Yep. Notice how on the original Wii there's two USB ports. Same for the Family Edition. That's because Nintendo took one USB port out and decided to leave just one. So, yeah, the Wii Mini is kind of worthless in my opinion. Because like I said, no internet capability, no SD card slot, only one USB port, and obviously no GameCube compatibility. Because the GameCube compatibility was discontinued when the Wii Family Edition was made. Excuse me. So yeah, don't buy the Family Edition of the. Excuse me. Don't buy the Wii Mini. It's not worth it. So yeah, I guess that pretty much wraps up this review. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Another thing I thought that was worth mentioning. The Wii also came in different colors, which you obviously already saw the black. There was also red and blue. The blue was only exclusive to Walmart. And of course we have the original white one. So yeah.